Right, well, today we're going to have a look at dash cam. This is a Nextbase 322GW. It was on offer in Halfords, £79. I think they're originally £100. I did have a dash cam originally. This is going in my Golf, by the way. I did have a dash cam in the Golf. It was a freebie. It said it recorded in 1080p. Debatable. And also, to get the footage off it, you had to remove the camera from the car, then remove the card from the camera, because you couldn't take the card out of the camera when it was in the car, because it's just the way the card sat in it. And it was pretty annoying. I had quite a few near misses and almost crashes that I just didn't bother looking at again, because I didn't crash, it didn't really matter. But the point is, it's nice to look at the footage sometimes, isn't it? I'm addicted to dash cam videos on YouTube. So when I found that this was on offer, I thought I'd have a go at it. It's Wi-Fi, so you don't need to take the card out of the camera. You can just connect it to your phone and it sends all the footage straight to your phone. If you've got any incidents you want to record, like sort of save, you just tap a button on the bottom of it and it will save that footage for you without deleting it, which is quite handy. Comes with stuff. I'll have a look at this quick start guide, obviously once it's plugged into the car, and it's got an amazing sticker. Warning, protected by Nextbase dash cams, which, to be honest with you, if I seen that on the back of someone's car, well, I'd assume they're a certain sort of swear word type of person. But so I'll probably fit that actually. Right, so camera itself, like all dash cameras these days, is tiny. I haven't actually taken this out of the packet yet. Oh, there we go. Very small looking thing. It's very compact. Now we'll go through the attachments with it, because it's got two methods of attaching it to your windscreen. I don't know which one I'll do yet. I'll have to have a look at it. There it goes. Nice little lightweight thing, and it's a full touch screen on the back apparently, which is good. The other camera I had wasn't touchscreen, it had buttons, it had menus, it was really complicated to actually go through, but as I say, it was free, so it was kind of useful anyway, just to record it. So, really small unit, it's about the same size as the GoPro, not far off it. And what else do we get? Right, so, is this one of the mounts? Yeah, this is your standard suction mount that you normally get. Sometimes in weather, warm and cold weather, sometimes these fail, but this is why this comes with a different attachment. There it is here. This also comes with a 3M stick-on attachment, which is possibly what I'm going to go for, I think. Excuse me. I've only just woken up, following a night shift. It's grim outside as well, but I'll get this done anyway. So yeah, so I might stick this on with the 3M attachment. Now, you can't really see out there, but or can you? Maybe you can. There's that's where your connection goes to your camera. So your camera actually mounts onto this, and I think it's behind this panel here. Yes, it is. So it's behind that panel there, and your camera clips onto it. That's magnetic as well. That's cool. That's really cool. Oh yeah, so that's actually really decent. That. So to remove your camera from your car, you just pull it off that straight away. That's pretty cool. That's probably the one I'm going to use. I can't actually. You must take out. There must be another piece like that then slots into there that would allow you to use a suction mount. But I'm probably going to use the 3M one. Comes with a spare 3M pad, and this here is one of the. I mean, if you've watched any of my other videos, I've moaned about not having a trim tool. Conveniently, I've now got a Nextbase trim tool. That's quite useful, because I'm going to need that anyway. And then also we have wiring. So what's this one? Yeah, that's your standard cigarette lighter wiring. We're not going to bother with that one. And stop. Please charge your dash cam for at least 2 hours indoors before use. Please use a supplied USB cable and a compatible 5-volt charger, e.g. phone or whatever. So I need to charge it for 2 hours before I can use it, basically. That's alright, we'll do that. Plenty of time for a cup of tea. And this one must be the charging cable then. Yeah, this is the charging cable. Is that all we got in the box? That's all we got in the box. So I need to work out, this must slide off there. I need to work out how to get something to suction mount. I don't know why I need to work that out, but I need to work that out. There must be another method of doing that. Maybe this bit slides off here. I don't want to take it to bits. Yeah, yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks like the 3M sticky pad actually slides off and then it slides onto the suction mount. I don't know which one I'm going to use. I do quite like the 3M sticky pad though. I'll have to clean the glass first, however. Right, so to hardwire this, which is what I'm going to do, we need this piece of wire here in this little box here, which is available for eBay, very cheap. And also, I think the easiest way I'm going to put the power source in is the blade fuse adapter. So you take your little blade, these are the little tiny little blade fuses my golf has. So you take your little fuse out, pop this in, put your fuse in the other side, and you join that wire onto that wire, and then all you need to do is find an earth. That's you, hardwired as they call it. Obviously you've got to run your wire through your trim panels because you don't want to see your wire. So that there is what we're going to be doing today. So I need that and I need that. I need to go and charge this up, and then we can probably make a start. Actually I can start running the wire while I charge the camera. That's better. I should probably say actually that 79 quid in Halfords this was. I think that's a good deal. You can attach a rear view camera to it, and you can attach a cabin camera to it as well. Also Halfords offer a £30 hardwiring service for the camera. I probably should have done that, because then you wouldn't have had to buy bits and you wouldn't have to take it pre-owned time. It did say model specific, but I imagine 30 quid's not too bad. All they're going to do is tuck the wire around and then chuck one of those blade fuse adapters, I imagine, into your car and then wire it up like that. So pretty much exactly what I'm going to do. And for 30 quid, it's not that bad because that's supplied all the parts as well. I don't think that was a bad deal. I probably should have taken that deal. Yeah, because I might mess this. Yeah, I probably will mess this up. But anyway, right, let's go and charge the camera and let's go make a start by running the wire. One thing I did forget to mention actually is it doesn't come with a memory card, so remember to buy yourself a memory card. Again, you can get them cheap off eBay. Welcome to the inside of my Golf. It's been a while since I've been in here. Yeah, so what we need to do is we're going to run the cable, tuck it under there using the trim tool. I'm going to have to take this A-pillar off. Now, I'm pretty sure there's an airbag behind there, but I believe that it should come off no problem. And then we need to locate the fuse box. Well, I say locate, I know it is, it's in behind the glove box. Right, so to remove the glove box, to get access to your fuse box, you've got a lever on this side here. See that black lever there? And what you have to do with this is you have to push it back the way. And hopefully you heard that click. Yeah, so just those two clips at the back there. They are actually quite tight, so I'm going to give it a good rive out now, and then the glove box should fall out. I probably should empty that, but I can't be bothered, it'll just fall on the floor anyway. Yeah, there you have it. There's a fuse box. So what we need to find is somewhere to earth this cable as well. It doesn't appear to be much in there. So I'll have to find something. What I've ended up doing is removing the piece of plastic that sticks on there, that, and the entire wing mirror. Kind of accidentally at first, but what I was trying to do was I was trying to get it so that the wire for the dash cam would run inside it, so it was a bit neater. I kind of just pulled it to bits by mistake, but it come off with that handy Nextbase trim tool. So that was easy enough, but now that means I can run the wire. So it's just going to tuck in all the way along there, hopefully, should do, and then come down there and then run out of there and then straight into the camera. Yeah, wire fitted all up and behind there. Now we just need to feed it all the way across there and get that off, which this trim tool is not tough enough to do, sadly. So what I might do is, I might just pull it out a bit like that, get a screw behind it, pop it off. Right, so to remove this panel, I've got a screwdriver down there and there's a clip kind of here. So once you get that loosened, it's easy with the door open actually, just because you can sort of move it, wiggle it on the door seal. And I found the easiest way to do this is just roll it towards myself, as it may all the rest of the clips just pop out. Right, so the A-pillar trim's off. It turned out that there's these metal clips here, you see, and for some reason, sorry, these clips here as well. These are the ones that were holding it in. And also the tweeter was clipped in, which I couldn't actually reach my hand down to get out, so that's quite annoying. Right, so I've just removed the front little A-pillar quarter light cover, which it was pretty much just this clip here. Just goes in there, and then just give it a wiggle, it comes out. Should give us plenty of room down there now to run this. Yeah, so as hoped, you can easily put that wire down there. I've just fed it around there and took it down that corner. Comes out here, which means we can then feed it through into the fuse box from there. So that's sorted. Easy hell. So now I can put the covers back on, and that's all the top half done, just the fuse box there. Right, we're back on day 2 of dashcam wiring. I had to stop yesterday because I got excited and wanted to go and fit the Hyundai to the Honda, so we did that instead. I've got launch control, it's good fun. So today I'm going to carry on with this. Now I'll quickly stop this and turn this camera. So I've got the live fitted in there. It's the piggyback fuse holder thing there. I'm going to put the earth onto this bolt down here. You can just see, can you? Just down there. Get that on there, and that should be it. It should have power and it should have earth. That's the theory anyway. Obviously I've got all this ramp all the way through there. So yeah, that's the last bit to do. Right, well, I've been using the multimeter and I've checked all my connections, and my earth is a good earth, the power is a good power, but there's no power getting up to here. So unfortunately I had to plug it back in this stupid way for now. And this cable here that I bought off eBay, obviously somewhere there's like a little control box half along the way. I'm wondering if that's what's knackered, so I'll have to buy another one. I'll probably go and get a proper one from Helfers this time though. But yeah, it's on and it works. It's just not working how it should do. See, originally when you switch it on, it doesn't charge up until you put the actual start your car up. So I thought, oh crap, that's maybe what I've done wrong. So I've been testing all the wires, but obviously when you start your car up, it charges. So I plugged the old wire back in, thinking it might start charging, it doesn't. So there's obviously something wrong in the wire somewhere. But all the bits I can get to and the wire that I can see have all got power, so cool. That's something else for me to do now, get another part. So this will be day 3 probably of doing this bloody dash cam. This is ridiculous. So back with what feels like day 17 of dashcam wiring. Bought an official Nextbase dashcam wire. What I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it to the live and the earth to my pocket. First, test that it's got light, because it has a power even, because it's got a little LED light that lights up to tell you if it's got a good earth and a good live. Then if that does, then I'll just tuck it into the car properly and be finished finally. Unbelievable. Eventually, real solid input and output okay, and charging. Unbelievable. So my top tip for the day: buy the official cable and do it in daylight. But it works. I'll get some clips up later when people try and crash into me on another video. Thanks.